Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly format your XML files. Let's say you have a large block of code like this. You need to make it more readable. I use a browser extension called XML Formatter. So, let's open the browser. Here's the XML formatter I use. I'll show you how to install it and where to find it later. First, paste your code into the extension, click Parsed, and you'll get your nicely formatted XML. So, where can you find it and how do you download it? Open the Chrome Web Store in your browser. Usually, you can find it by clicking the first link. Now, let's search for XML Formatter. As you can see, there are a lot of different formatters here, but many of them are quite complicated with unnecessary features. I use this one, the one I just showed you. It's simple, convenient, and fast. Now, I'll show you how to install it. Click Add to Browser and Add Extension. A page will pop up showing you what to do. It's a good idea to pin the extension so it's easy to access. When you're working with an XML file, just copy the code, open your browser, and with a few clicks, get your XML file formatted in a readable way. That's it. Super convenient. I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks for watching.